Hi everybody, hi Pode family. As I told you that we will be going live today at 7. So here we are, live after approximately a couple of weeks. I'm live here. So last time we went live, I totally I gave you a glimpse that how these fields are being prepared for the next harvest, and this is how it looks now. So if you remember, if you were following my live videos, so guys, this is how the fields, the area around me looks as of now. So these are paddy. These are rice that we have planted. All around us, the area where we put up, normally it's very good for the cultivation of rice. So this is how rice is all over the place as far as you can see. I hope everybody is doing fine. I hope everybody is into planting something or the other by way of propagation, because guys, this is the perfect timing to really propagate. And let me give you a glimpse, if you're following my videos or my channel, this is how my dog looks like. He's 4 months old and he's really outgrown himself. He was really petite in the last video that I showed you, but now he has really grown into a full-grown dog from a pup. Hi Toby. So I was talking about propagation, guys. Please propagate. Do not buy fancy plants. Do not buy, any plant that you wish to. You can just propagate. This being the best time, because this is monsoon season. Perfect for the plants to grow. Perfect for the plants to, they really spread out in anything that you plant. So इस मौके का, इस monsoon का फायदा उठाएं, plants लगाएं. Hi Jashan. Toby is not a tiny tot now. He has really grown himself. So he's no more a tiny tot. So this is how he is now. So guys, keep showing your love to the channel. Please keep pouring your suggestions. Keep pouring your any ideas that you have in regards to plant and plant community. Let's spread the community. Let's spread the green all around us. It's a beautiful color, pleasant to the eyes and to the soul. So I'm lucky enough to witness this particular monsoon in my village. Because of the lockdown, things have suspended. Things are from home being operated. So I'm out here for an evening stroll, sharing the little greens with all of you. ये देखिए, दूर दूर तक यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ राइस ही लगे हुए हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ पैडी ही लगे हुई है. Because this area is known best for the cultivation. आप भी अपनी वीडियोस में टैग करें, आप भी अपनी वीडियोस आइडियाज शेयर करें. So let's make a two-way conversation, not a one-way traffic from my side to you. It is a village in northern parts of India. I will not be naming the same. Hi, Creative Sue, Odisha. Hi, I'm from North India. So we are really amalgamating north to south, east to west. So if you really listen very carefully, you have these birds chirping around you. I have my dog with me. So it's very peaceful. It really pacifies your heart. अभी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले आपके साथ अपनी मॉनसून शेयर किया था कि मैंने कैसे प्रोपगेशन से अपने बोगनविल लगाए हैं. आई विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन प्रोपगेशन ऑफ बोगनविल, बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी इजी, very simple. and it will give you maximum results. So the sun is setting. I have little more minutes before it completely sets. Till then, I'll quickly have my evening stroll, leaving you with the serene green surrounding near me. I urge and request you to keep planting, keep propagating, make best use of this season. Keep tagging, keep supporting each other. Till then.